Picture this, it's a scorching summer day in the Coachella Valley, and your air conditioner suddenly gives up on you. You're sweating buckets, desperately searching for a reliable HVAC repair service that won't break the bank. Today, we've got the solution to your sweltering dilemma. Introducing Anthem, your go-to source for affordable desert HVAC repair services in the Coachella Valley. Stick around, and we'll show you why they're the heroes you need when it comes to keeping your cool. For those of us residing in the Coachella Valley, having a dependable HVAC system is an absolute must. Luckily, Anthem understands the urgency of your heating and cooling needs. Their team of skilled technicians is available 24/7, ready to tackle any HVAC challenge that comes their way. No matter the time of day, even during those after-hours emergencies, Anthem's technicians are just a phone call away. They'll swoop in and save the day, restoring comfort to your home in no time. And let me tell you, these technicians are no amateurs. They're certified pros with years of experience wrangling all sorts of HVAC systems. Equipped with top-notch tools and unrivaled expertise, they diagnose and fix your issues with pinpoint accuracy. Rest assured, Anthem's technicians are wearing the technician seal of safety, ensuring your peace of mind while they work their magic on your HVAC system. Now, you might be wondering, will Anthem's top-notch service drain my bank account? Absolutely not. Anthem believes that everyone deserves quality service without emptying their wallets. That's why they offer competitive pricing on everything they do, from minor repairs to major installations. With Anthem, you can say goodbye to sneaky charges and surprise fees. They keep things transparent, providing you with an upfront price quote that won't change unless both parties agree on any modifications along the way. But affordability alone isn't enough. Anthem takes great pride in offering high-quality HVAC repair services. They understand the importance of a well-functioning HVAC system, especially in the harsh desert climate of the Coachella Valley. Anthem's certified technicians strive to provide the best customer service possible, ensuring that all repairs are done with precision and speed. They go beyond just fixing immediate issues. Anthem focuses on preventive measures, conducting regular maintenance and timely repairs to extend the life of your HVAC unit, improve its efficiency, and ultimately save you money on energy bills. With Anthem, you'll have a dedicated team of certified professionals who have undergone rigorous training to handle any HVAC issue. Equipped with advanced tools and technology, they diagnose problems accurately and provide effective solutions quickly. Anthem believes in doing things right the first time. They pay close attention to details during inspections, use high-quality parts for replacements, and follow industry best practices for installations. They won't leave your property until everything is working perfectly, but it's not just their technical expertise that sets them apart. Anthem's courteous customer service is a testament to their commitment to your satisfaction. They schedule appointments at your convenience, patiently answer all your questions, and prioritize good communication, transparency, and respect for your home. And here's the best part, Anthem's HVAC repair services in the Coachella Valley come with a satisfaction guarantee. They're not satisfied until you are. If something isn't right, they'll fix it, no questions asked. So, whether it's a minor fix or an extensive overhaul, trust Anthem to perform the task correctly and ensure your peace of mind. Remember, your satisfaction is their priority. Ready to experience the top-notch HVAC repair services that Anthem offers? Don't wait another minute in discomfort. Contact Anthem today at 951-389-5151 for Inland Empire or 760-895-2621 for the Coachella Valley. Let them be your HVAC heroes in the desert, providing fast and reliable service, competitive pricing, and a commitment to high-quality repairs. Anthem is here to keep you cool when the desert heat is at its peak. Call them now. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and information from our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Stay cool, Coachella Valley.